Welcome to class. My name is Tom, the instructor of this video course. This video is the continuation of the last video. In the last video I installed a brand new Red Hat Enterprise Linux server. I also registered this new server to the Red Hat Developer subscription. In this video I am going to install the Virtualbox guest editions on the new server. What is the primary reason for installing the guest editions? Installing the guest editions can dramatically improve the ease of operation on the virtual machine. When operating the virtual Linux server installed on Virtualbox, inevitably, we need to switch between the virtual server and the physical host. This is the situation before the guest editions. I was trying to move the mouse pointer into the virtual server's screen. I tried many times but just couldn't get it done. Finally I did it with these steps. Now I want to move the mouse pointer back to the physical host. But the pointer is just like in jail. Usually we can make it escape from the virtual machine by pressing the right control button on the keyboard. But in my case, pressing the right control button doesn't work. I need to unplug and re-plug the mouse to make the pointer escape from the virtual machine. By contrast, this is the situation after the guest editions. I can move the mouse pointer freely, seamlessly between the physical host and the virtual guest. Another big difference is the scalability of the virtual server's screen resolution. This is how the virtual server's screen behaves before the guest editions. This is after the guest editions. So you see the big difference before and after installation of the guest editions. After installing the Virtualbox guest editions, the ease and efficiency of operating the virtual machine are dramatically enhanced. Before installing the guest editions, we need to do these three things on the Linux server. We will do it step by step in the following video. To begin with, install the GCC compiler package, the make package, and the Perl package. They are required for compiling the guest editions on the Linux server. The make package is required when we install Python later. Okay, log in as root. Open the command terminal. Now we're going to install GCC, make, and Perl. Type in yum. Install GCC, make, Perl. -y means to answer any subsequent question with yes. Execute the command. Got an error. Failed to download. This is because I have not connected the Linux to the network. To connect the server to the network, click this little triangle. Select Connect. Now the network is connected. Execute the command again. It will take several minutes to finish the installation. Installation is done. Proceed to the second step. The second step is to update the Linux kernel. To update the kernel, we can either update it or install it with yum. Let's install it. Kernel update completed. Proceed to the third step. The additions will make use of the functions provided by the kernel. So the third step is to install some kernel-related development packages required for compiling the guest additions. Let's install these packages one by one. First, install the kernel development package. Completed. Install the next one. The kernel headers package. This one has already been installed. It is included in the kernel devel package. Now install the final package. Installation completed. Now all prerequisites of Virtualbox guest editions have been installed. Everything is ready. We can install the Virtualbox guest editions. But before that, reboot the Linux to ensure all installations have taken effect. Give the mouse pointer control to the virtual machine. We still need to go through these steps before the guest editions is applied. OK, log in as root. To install the guest editions, click on Devices. Select Insert Guest Editions CD image. The guest editions image comes along with the Virtualbox. When we select Insert Guest Editions CD image, Virtualbox will insert the CD into the optical drive. Got an error message. It said, unable to insert the virtual optical disk. Let's check the virtual machine's optical drive for the reason. Click Devices. Optical drives. The installation DVD currently occupies the drive. Remove it from the drive. Insert Guest Editions CD image again. The Guest Editions installation software on the CD ran automatically. Click Run. Installation of the guest editions gets started. Installation done. Virtualbox showed a message, the guest OS supports mouse pointer integration. We can move the mouse pointer freely and seamlessly between the physical host and the guest virtual machine. Open the command terminal. Check if Virtualbox Guest Editions has been installed. Yes, it has been installed correctly. Let's also adjust the screen resolution of the Linux server. Right-click on its screen. Select a proper resolution that fits the physical screen. Looks good. You can even enable full screen for the virtual machine. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.